Why am I dying there? There's no reason why I should die there at this point in time. Has to be the one. It's attempt number 10. I died. But why? No, I got it down. I know I do. I'm gonna get it in this one attempt just because of that. I'm spiting you.
If you can do it in one attempt, I'll be thoroughly impressed. Why did I press that? You said pressed and then I pressed the button when I didn't need to.
What the heck?
Where is the...
Dude! That didn't even touch me. I think I understand now. This is why there are serial killers in the world.
What? How did you reach this conclusion?
This is why racism is a thing. God damn it! Racism is bad for you. God damn it!
Thank God.
But why am I dying there? Like, I'm regressing. What's happening? Am I, like, not focusing? Alright, I need a zen. I need a zen. I need to enter my zen mode. Why did I even die? They're color coded.
What is that?
Zombie, they're color coded. Zombie.
What?
They're color coded. Literally, all you have to do is not hit any of the red orbs. Why did I hit a red orb?
I'm being so serious.
I'm gonna cry. Oh, I just want to play Dead by Daylight, and I want to camp a building with Boil Over.
So we could do that right now.
But I have to beat Mech Showdown. Years ago, I told Sandstorm I beat Mechanical Showdown, but it was a scam. Also, I used to play on mobile back then.
Oh, wait, there. Come on, pick up the key.
I don't understand why. Zombie. All I have to do is not tap early. Is it that hard?
No.
I've got there 3 times now. Ah! No. What are you doing? God damn it!
High in the zone, I'm dead.
Well, I've died there 900 times! Ah! One of these attempts, I will win.
No, not like overbearing, but I could just chill.
Alex, I'm gonna cry.
Alex, I did it.
I'm at attempt 63. And mash. What?
Why? Is Gannon gonna learn strategy?
What?
Come on. Alright. Dip
Oh, GS sword still fucking
up here, and then down. Alright, down here, Alex, down here, right? Down, then through. And it's a straight fly. Okay. Blue, green, yellow, and then ba. And then follow the line. No! Attempt 69, here we go.
Explains the slanted eye.
Ah! No, please! Please, Alex, just let me make it through. No! I'm not hitting 100 attempts. I'm not. There's no, I can't. It's one session. I'm not allowed to hit 100.
Wait, is your monitor seriously 60 hertz?
Ah!
That is just unlucky.
I don't know why he's smiling. That wasn't funny. I think he's just lost it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What?
What is happening?
No!
Oh, never mind. 90 seconds.
Watch out.
Why did it? I couldn't press anything. Okay. Very easy.
99,
First.
99.
Oh, no, but okay. It's very easy. No. We gotta go here. We gotta go up here. Okay. Why did it? No.
Well,
Because last one got wasted.
died,
No, last one got wasted. Last one got. You have to watch Zombie until I beat it. I will beat it in the next few attempts. I have to. Because if I don't, I'm leaving this earth.
This level has been...
No!
I got so quiet for you, Cannon, and you. Oh.
What did he make it to?
89. Oh. That's brutal, man.
No.
Owie zowie, oopie powie.
What?
No, what the hell?
What the fuck? Why'd you
Oh,
go
he
home?
reset it. He reset his counter.
Don't worry, I'll beat it right now. Don't worry.
You need the break.
Don't worry, I'll beat it right now. Don't beat it. No, it's the first attempt. It's first attempt, right? Come on. It's first attempt, guys.
Cannon, run through a practice mode or something.
I don't need it. I'm ready. Now here, bam. Late, bam. Up here.
Yes.
Ah, I got tickled in my anus.
If electrodynamics were only the flying sections, yes, it would be a difference.
Which is really bad.
Why did I do that?
But you're a failure.
Literally, all I have to do is not hit the red orb.
If Cannon beats Mechanical Showdown in less than another 10 attempts, I'll give him $10.
Oh my god, what percent did I just
I
get?
think now. Okay,
What
one.
percent did I just get?
The demo.
Oh, this looks, yeah.
What? But why? Why did I die, Kenny? Why did I die? Why?
You hit Spike.
I can't figure out a good setup for the UFO. I hate UFO the most out of anything. I hate it more than robot. I've had enough. Losing is for losers.
And that is negative $10.
I'm so,
Let's play some
dude,
Macleod.
I'm actually so close. I know I can beat it. But why does stuff like this keep happening? Why am I dying there? There's no reason why I should die there at this point in time.
No, put the S. Yeah.
Attempt 69.
Okay, that's
True. Okay, he's gotta do zombie. He's gotta do something.
Attempt 69, man.
But he's already lost the money.
alright.
No, but attempt 69.
Fine.
We're invoking the rule 69.
I shall allow it this once.
Mechanical Showdown.
Although the time I shall allow it is the 420, but he shall never hit the
1069.
420 mark.
I'll probably, you know what? I'll probably end up beating this level before I beat fucking Toe 3, dude. I remember my first ever practice run on Toe 3 literally took me like 500 attempts.
Oh, what? No, you have to die. No, my money. No.
Yes!
Let's go.
Yes!
He did it on
It was attempt 69.
69.
Oh my god.
Screenshot that right. Or actually record it. Do you have to record it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to record it?
Yeah.
No, my money.
Oh my god.
GG's.
Attempt 69.
Let's go.
Yes.
Why?
Watch the gameplay.
Yeah, 1616 attempts. I'm done.
One.
Can't wait to put some Dead by Daylight.